namin is everything is well. It's good. Nakita ko din po sa friend ko, may ganito din siya. Hi guys, it's already like 10 o'clock in the evening and I just finished my first 12-hour shift for the week. So I'm actually doing two long days this week. So Sunday, Monday, and then isang night shift on Tuesday. I don't know if I've mentioned it before, but I don't prefer night shifts. I really struggle recovering from night shift when I was still new here in London. Sobrang gusto kong mag-night before, syempre. Since I gave birth to my son, I really don't enjoy doing nights. So, most of the time, long day talaga ako. If you work long days, you know, it's so busy during the day because usually the doctors do their rounds and so most of the changes happen during the day. Most of scheduled deliveries happen during the day, so technically mas higher chances of admission. At the same time, if you think on the other side of things, that's when you gain more chances of experience, especially in mga complicated cases, rare cases. I've been at the bedside for almost 10 years and still, guys, I can say for sure that marami pa akong kailangan ma-learn as a NICU nurse. I just wanted to share how my day was like. Well, I do my night skincare routine. It's not even that complicated, guys, yung aking night skincare routines. Isa lang yung pasyente ko, so I work in ITU. Kasi normally yung NICU is divided into 3 things sa aming units. Special care, yung well babies namin na growers and feeders. High dependency, usually yung mga babies on high flow or CPAP. And then, of course, yung ITU is yung mga sick na babies talaga, yung extremely premature or babies who really need higher level of ventilation or respiratory support. So, yun sila. So, ang pasyente ko kanina was very cute 29-weeker. He's still ventilated and he's still on his nitric. If you're not familiar with nitric, it's like this big machine that we have in the NICU that we use for babies with persistent pulmonary hypertension. So it helps open up their lungs. It helps with oxygenation basically. He still got his central line because most of our babies na premature, they have central lines. They call it long line here. Meron pa siyang TPN or total parenteral nutrition kasi medyo back and forth pa yung feeds. Usually kasi, if you're born really premature, there will always be a point na medyo hindi mo matotolerate yung feed mo because, of course, yung gut ng baby is so sensitive. So, sometimes, we always say na the journeys of the baby in the NICU is like a roller coaster because it's never linear with babies. They always have good days and bad days in the NICU. Hindi naman ako sobrang na-busy. Yung setup kasi namin sa unit namin is in one nursery, merong 4 na bed space. Buti na lang, medyo okay ang staffing kanina. 3 kami sa nursery kasi 3 ventilated and then may isang high flow. It was obviously busy pero I've had worse days, ganun. Normally, when they are ventilated, tapos they sort of fight the ventilator, most of them have to have some sort of sedation talaga para to keep them comfortable because the main purpose, diba, na ilalagay mo sa ventilator ang baby is to take over the breathing for them kasi they can't do it by themselves. So, normally, ang first line namin dyan is morphine, IV, but it's like in mics per kilo per hour. It's so tiny ang doses namin sa NICU. It has to be like further diluted. Yung 1 milligram of morphine, we further dilute it into 20 ml solution. Yung babies namin na have been on morphine for quite some time, hindi na gumagana sa kanila yung morphine. So, sinishift namin sila sa fentanyl. So, yung baby ko is naka-fentanyl na siya. And then, he's on a medication called atracurium, which is a muscle relaxant. It paralyzes your muscle. So, overall, I had a good day naman. This is actually the first step I do, guys. Oil cleansing lang. The gunk really clears out. And then I go in with my cleanser. So tomorrow, I'm doing another long day. And they normally assign us to the same nursery if they know that We were there the previous shift. Mag-brush lang pala ako ng ngipin, guys. And of course, guys, after mag-brush, mag-floss. I only learned about the importance of flossing in my 30s. Grabe. Ako, guys, late sleeper talaga ako. So, like, I sleep around mga 11 to 12. Even if I'm doing long days, ganun yung talagang sleeping ko. So, hello sa mga late sleepers like me. Magtimpla tayo ng gatas. Pakita ko lang to sa inyo. Actually, ilang weeks na to nandito sa kusina. In-order ko to sa Amazon. This is actually an egg cooker. I really like bringing boiled eggs sa trabaho kasi at least may protein siya and mabilis lang siyang i-prepare. Pero, at the same time, kapag sobrang nagmamadali na ako, hindi ako makaboil ng egg. Nakita ko din to sa friend ko, may ganito din siya. 3-in-1 egg boiler. Pwede actually siyang gumawa ng omelette, pwede siyang boiled egg tray, and pwede din siyang poached egg. Taran! May kasama siyang cup, so na-measure mo siguro yung tubig. Ayan, maliit lang naman siya. It won't take up too much space naman. You can cook 7 eggs at one time. Magtimpla muna ako ng gatas, guys, kasi parang naubos na yung neurons ko sa work. Ayan. Bet na bet ko yung amoy ng Bear Brand. Ako lang ba? So, ganito na lang. Dalawa na lang. Share na lang sila ni David. And this is mine. Ayan. Kasi medyo mainit pa siya. I'm just going to do my skincare quickly. Ito pala yung space ko ngayon. Medyo hindi pa siya masyadong organized, guys. Pero kasi, if you watch my previous vlog, the desk should be on the other side of our room. Pero since hindi pa namin siya nagalaw, dyan na muna sila temporarily. Pero I really love my mini space here na i-entice akong mag-skincare kapag cute yung space ko. Pero, guys, hindi talaga ako nag-skip ng skincare now that I'm in my 30s. I usually start with toner. Pero kapag galing ako sa work and nag-wear ako ng makeup, I use my micellar water muna. Kasi just to make sure na wala talagang gunk na natira. Ito pala, guys, tinry ko for the first time. This is from COSRX. Ito yung kanilang BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. Helps to remove oil and deeply cleanses while moisturizing the skin. I've only started using it this week. So, once a week ang advice if you're starting out. Super interested kung ano yung makikita kong difference sa skin ko after using this. Go in with our toner. If you've been watching my vlogs, alam mo na yung mga ginagamit ko. As my skin is quite sensitive these days, more on hydrating lang tayo tonight. Ito, nakakita nyo na din to from COSRX. This is their 6 peptide skin booster. Parang water lang to, guys. Nilalagay ko lang siyang ganyan for hydration. Then after that, moisturizer na. I'm just gonna go in with my Comfort Ceramide Cream. This is also from COSRX. It's actually quite gentle kasi nga, diba, para sa mga katulad ko na may sensitive skin. Yun lang. At doon na nagtatapos ang ating night skincare. Makabilis lang. So yeah, ayun na, guys. Super moisturized na tayo before going to bed. I'm just gonna drink my milk. And then, good night na. Kasi tomorrow, duty pa tayo. Good night! Medyo mahirap talaga sa akin mag-night kasi hindi na nga sanay yung katawan ko. Pagod na pagod ako after. Then after ko nagising, mga nag-nap ako ng 2 hours something. Sumakit yung ulo ko, guys. Bibili ako ng ibuprofen mamaya pag labas namin. We're gonna go out to do our grocery kasi hindi kami nakapag-grocery ng maayos last week. Okay naman yung night shift actually. Hindi ako masyadong na-busy. 3 kami sa room. Okay naman. My baby was at 23-weeker and stable naman siya. Meron kasing period ang mga extremely premature babies na tinatawag namin na honeymoon period. Meron silang phase na everything is well, everything's good. After the honeymoon phase, doon na sila nag-start na mag-require ng more ventilation support, more oxygen. So, yeah. Gusto kong bumili ng kape. And then, wala pa actually kaming lunch. Sa labas na lang kami kakain ni David. It's our little update for today. Sorry kung medyo low energy levels ako mamaya pag nakapag-coffee na. Baka maging better na, guys. I just wanted to give you an update. Siopaw. Teriyaki. Dapat ginger. Pork shoulder. Chicken with wala lang gamay dito eh. Hello guys, good morning. Today is Friday, 10:20 in the morning. After ng school drop-off ni Light kaninang mga 9 o'clock, nagkape lang ako, ayan. And then nanood ako ng 2 episodes of my current Chinese drama. Natapos ko na yung Fated Hearts. I mentioned it in, I think, the last video. And then, nanood ako ng bagong Chinese drama na si Yang Yang. Kilala niyo ba siya? Siya yung sa Who Rules the World na kasama ni Zhao Lucy at siya din yun sa King's Avatar. I really liked his character there. So, meron siyang bago which is Zhan Zhao Adventures. Very minimal lang yung romance. It's mostly action. Like, halos every episode, guys. Grabe yung action. And then, actually guys, kailangan matapos ko na yung aking editing today kasi para it's ready for tomorrow. Kasi I really want to go back to my usual uploading schedule which is weekends. And Saturday talaga ang aking target because Sunday, I'm working already. So, wala na akong time mag-edit. So, hopefully tomorrow, ma-upload ko na to para makita nyo na yung vlog natin. And we're back on track na. Ang isa ko pang goal today is maghanap ng masusuot ko for my British citizenship, guys. Kahapon actually, I went to my dentist kasi na-schedule ko sa pag-adjust ng braces ko. After my appointment, I actually went to Oxford Street kasi malapit lang yung dental clinic ko. So, naglakad lang ako. Kasi nga, gusto kong maghanap ng masusuot for my British citizenship ceremony this coming Wednesday. Ang chances ko na lang maghanap is today and Tuesday. Ayoko naman sa Tuesday kasi sa Tuesday, may birthday party kaming atinan. Meron na naman akong skirt, guys. Tapos, maghahanap na lang ako ng white na top na medyo elegant yung tingnan. And also, wala akong sapatos, guys. Kasi yung sapatos ko is sneakers. Meron akong isang sandal, nag-iisang sandal ko, which was from my wedding. Actually, dalawa yung sandals ko. Isa yung pink, pang summer siya. Hindi siya pang formal events. Gusto ko lang mahanap is yung may konting heel pero hindi masyado para comfortable pa rin tayo. Plano ko is mag-edit for an hour and then siguro I'll be out of here mga 12 o'clock. So meron akong roughly 2 hours to go around and search for an outfit. Sa CapCut pala ako nag-edit, guys, if you're curious. Ayan. Edit muna ako, guys, and then I'll get back to you kapag paalis na ako. Hello guys, it's almost 1 o'clock na and I'm just preparing to go out. I managed to finish the first part of my editing. So yung second part is to put some subtitles. So I have to like manually do that throughout the vlog because I know some of you guys don't speak Tagalog. So I have to obviously put English subtitles which I'm very happy to do kasi I want everyone to understand the vlogs. It's just a process that I need to also spend some time on. I'll just leave that for later. Been looking outside the window and the sun is out and it's supposed to be like 26-27 degrees today, which is great. A few weeks ago, weather was going back to winter. So we're finally getting a good week or two of just sunny weather, which is so nice. Very important, of course, ang ating sunscreen. Someone asked me on TikTok, dun sa Get Ready With Me ko, na saan ko daw nabibili yung aking BLK na skin tint. Kasi yung BLK is a Filipino brand. Pag may umuwi ako na kaibigan, nagpapadala ako ng mga Filipino products. Kasi hiyang ako sa Filipino products, guys, yung mga skin tint natin. Dahil we live in a tropical country, I just find that mas maganda yung mga formula ng mga skin tint natin sa Pilipinas. And after kong maghanap, I need to drop by sa Lidl to buy a couple of essentials kasi wala na kaming garlic. Ang plano kong lutuin later for dinner is munggo. So I'm gonna buy a squash. Meron pa naman kaming vegetables. And also, we have meat. So, I might buy another. Fish na din siguro kasi nag-meat na kami and then nag-chicken na kami kagabi. So, fish naman para maiba naman. Most favorite, most used blush. Gusto ko siya kasi meron siyang shimmer. I might go to Zara kasi minsan meron silang magagandang pieces. So, ito na yung ating finished look. Very light lang. Dahil mainit, magsispray lang ako, guys. Ito yung bago kong Tokobo Heat-Proof hair mist kasi mabango din siya, para din siyang hair perfume. Hi guys, andito na ako sa Zara and meron akong mga nakitang mga possible tops. So, let's try it on. And guys, ito yung first top. Okay naman siya. Okay yung fit niya, pero parang medyo see-through siya. What do you think, guys? Imagine nyo na lang sa baba may skirt, pero actually meron siyang partner na pants. Let's see. Ito siya, guys, with the trousers. Sobrang haba lang. Parang yung tela niya is very manipis lang. So medyo kita ko yung silhouette ng aking undergarments. Oh my gosh, bet ko tong top na to, guys. Pero I don't know kung appropriate ba siya sa event. Medyo open yung front niya, ganyan. And yung sleeve niya is medyo puffed sleeve siyang ganyan. So I feel like it's not appropriate for the event. Pero gusto ko siya. Gusto ko yung fit niya. Very relaxed. Guys, ito maganda din siya. Parang belted siya na top. What do you think? Ayan siya. Ano siya sa likod? I think pwede din siya sa gilid. Ganyan. So, I think I'll get this top para meron akong option. Anyway, kung hindi siya fit, pwede naman siyang i-return, guys. So yeah, I think I'll get this one. It's so cute. Gusto ko yung may pagka-pa-sleeve siya dyan. So cute this top.
Muitas vezes é da dor que vem o amor.
Hello guys, nakauwi na kami. So we went to the Granary Square na malapit lang dito sa amin. As in, sobrang happy ni Light kahit sobrang liit lang ng fountain doon to combat the heat kasi nga sobrang init today and everyone's so happy with the sun. 27 degrees kanina. It was so fun din para sa mga bata kasi at least nakapaglaro sila with the fountain. And then afterwards, pumunta lang kami sa malapit na milk tea store. So 7 o'clock na dito. I'm just cooking dinner. Dinner natin tonight is sinigang na salmon. And then, nakapagluto na ako ng rice before we went out. So, meron ng rice. Bilis lang naman ang siligang na salmon maluto. So, after this, kailangan kong tupiin yung mga damit kasi marami na namang damit na kailangan tupiin. That's the story of my life. And doon na din yung scrubs ko because I'm working long day tomorrow. This week, I'm doing 2 long days only. Kasi I requested to be off sa Wednesday. Dahil yun nga ang aking citizenship ceremony, guys. Yun yung parang formalization na citizen ka na talaga and then dun din yung makakuha yung certificate mo, which is the evidence. I'm just gonna wash the fish and then lutuin na natin siya. Iba-iba pala yung technique ng pagluto ng igang ng mga tao. Pero me, this is how I do it. So, I saute the onion and the tomato first and then I fry the meat or the fish. Itong binibili namin na salmon sa Lidl, okay naman siya sa sinigang and yung simple nila na brand is mas mura siya compared dun sa mga usual brand. And okay naman siya, guys. Okay naman yung lasa niya. So, I don't really mind buying salmon from Lidl. Hi guys! Luto na ang ating sinigang. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ang gulay namin is beans and spinach. Ayan. Pauwi na din si David. So, paunahin ko lang sila ito muna. And then for tomorrow, siguro yung babaunin ko is yung sobrang munggo from yesterday kasi nilagay ko na naman siya sa fridge. Si Light, favorite niya ang beans. Kapag nagluluto ako, most of the time, beans ang nilalagay ko kasi para makakain din siya ng gulay.